They trekked through the snow and took up position on Rockland Station. More than 20 soldiers from the Bravo and Charlie companies checked their gear and prepared for live firing training on Saturday.
We're conducting live fire exercises with soldiers from Bravo Company of 24 Battalion, Royal New Zealand Infantry Regiment.
The soldiers from Dunedin and Southland spent time taking aim and checking their accuracy. They explored the high country station, simulating combat and commando crawling through the tussock.
But it is a matter of working in with landowners to get consent to use their land and working with them in their farming requirements. For example, this time of the year, they're heavily into lambing season, so areas for us to operate in are very small.
The strong wind was a factor in the training, and planning was paramount when it came to safety.
The safety side of this type of live firing exercise, the rounds have a potential to go out and injure or kill up to 3+ kilometres. So that indicates that we have to then go to an area so that we can seal off and ensure that nobody can get inside the danger or impact area of our live firing.
With the training fresh in their minds, the soldiers returned home, ready to represent New Zealand in whatever battles might lie ahead. Rosie Mannins, 39 Dunedin News.